What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's feeling blessed. My name is Juan, also known as the Christian Barber. So for today's video, we have a little change of plan. So my goal was, for the next project, was to donate my car to somebody in need. Well, not in need, somebody who could use it, like somebody who deserves a free car. So I was gonna give away this car. This is one of my cars, and I was gonna give this car away. I was gonna fix it up and, you know, do a whole series of giving this car away, but it's a BMW. It always has issues, always something new, and it's a never-ending story. So I don't want to give a headache away to somebody. So what me and my beautiful wife are going to do now is go look at a car that we're going to try to purchase to fix and give away. That's very reliable, good on gas, you know, a Honda 4-cylinder. So I'm going to keep that for a little while. I don't know what guys' plans are going to be for that. Possibly hook it up and maybe go to a car show or something. But yeah, we're gonna just go check out a car in Long Island. We're gonna do a little detour stop in Walmart, maybe buy a TV for somebody, because we're feeling generous. That's the way to be. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for coming back. Peace. Later. 1, 2, 3. Lifetime, right? Dingleberry ways. There you go. That's how it goes. What's up, everybody? So I ended up buying the car, and this is the drive home. Car does need a little work. It's a little rough around the edges, but that's the purpose of this channel. You know, build it to actually put in some work ourselves. You know, put our elbow grease worked in and everything. But it's a Honda Civic. Engine sounds all right. Transmission is good. As I'm driving, it's pretty good. I got no complaints on the transmission. But yeah, like as I said, it's a little rough around the edges, body-wise, whatever. But we're gonna make it look as good as we can. I'm sure it needs some suspension work and an alignment. But yeah, we're gonna create good content for you guys. I hope everything comes out, you know, I hope you guys enjoy the content. So far, so good. I'll see you guys a little later. And to be honest, I was gonna record the whole like walk around and a little reveal of the video. I mean, reveal of the car, but we have some family stuff going on. So I'm definitely probably gonna do a video tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna continue on. Like, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, all right? What's up, guys? We're back. So the next day, and I want to give you guys a little walkthrough of the car. So the car drove home good. Like I said, it needs a little rough around the edges. It needs a little bit of work. So I'm gonna show you guys the car that I purchased. You might have seen some of the clips already. You might know already what I got, but this is the car. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, off the back, you know, car. Got a 2005 Honda CRV. A little rough around the edges, man. Like, you know, the car ain't perfect. Could use a little work. Has a little bit of you know, clear coat, fade over here, and a little bit over here. You never know. Some fenders. Yeah, bumper. You know, something going on here. Headlights look a little rough. This bumper right here looks like it was, you know, they gave it a little kiss right here. Only 128,000 miles, which isn't crazy, you know. But yeah, check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Take a look at the inside, and we already found our first problem. The key doesn't want to work here. And then the 2 key fobs, got 2 of them, alarm. They don't work, so maybe they just need batteries. You know, could use a little detail. Black on black. Pretty cool little car. Roof, look at the roof. Nice. And all the windows, sunroof, everything works. AC, ice cold. It's cool, cool, you know? Yeah, he even gave me the mats. Right? Check this out, this is cool, right? this is how the door opens. Yeah. Feel me? That's pretty cool. At the back, he gave me the stock mats and OEM mats for the car. Also, like he told me the catalytic converter was stolen and they replaced it, but the shop forgot to install O2 sensors. And he was nice enough to throw them in. He said he got them in, and the day I went to go see him, he was gonna put it in, but we got some brand new O2 sensors here that need to be put on. The check engine light is on, but the 2 codes is the O2 sensors. So they are missing, you're gonna have a code for that. But, you know, the point of this car is to be a daily driven car, not gonna be a show car, not a car to, you know, show off to your friends. It's a car to get, you know, to do life with. Do what you gotta do. So yeah, you know, we're gonna hook this car up, we're gonna make it look cool. I have some ideas in mind. I want to do like a few little above and beyond kind of things for the car, make it cool in some type of way. Let's see what happens. You know, I'm gonna keep this car in prayer. I'm gonna keep this whole project in prayer. Tomorrow, I'm going to the DMV. I already put insurance in the car. I gotta go to the DMV tomorrow. I made an appointment. I went to the DMV today. I'll try to register the car today, but the DMV, not like the way it used to be. You can't just show up to the DMV no more. Gotta make an appointment and everything's barcode, scan QR code or whatever, man. From what I see, definitely needs 4 brand new tires. Suspension's a little funny in the front, so it's gonna need probably either suspension parts or a good alignment. Like I said, the O2 sensors, definitely a detail. And the bumpers are, you know, it's like they're not shiny. They're like the dull bumper looking bumpers or whatever. Maybe repaint them to make them, you know, look newer, or who knows. So like I said, I don't know exactly what I want to do with the car. I do want to do a few cool things with it. But yeah, so those are the things off the back that I see. Tires, O2 sensors. Definitely gonna give it a tune-up, full complete tune-up, do all the fluids. The car is an all-wheel drive car, so, you know, winter's coming, it's around the corner. You're gonna want all-wheel drive in the winter. And this is all-wheel drive, you know? But I don't know, be honest with you, like I want to make it like I would like to like lift it up and put like some off-road tires and make it look real cool, you know? And even put like a, you know, some beefy tires and then like put a nice beefy tire in the back, like, you know, with a little rack on top, you know, make it look like a little off-road minion. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna go on with the project. Tomorrow, I'm going to the DMV, register the car, get some plates, and then if I have time, I'm gonna take it to my friend's shop, Who's Papi Tires, over there in Woodside. Yeah, we're gonna get, you know, we're gonna look at the whole car, you know, assess the situation and let me know what's going on, and then we'll catch you there, but that'll be tomorrow. So, peace out. Oh man, we're out of the DMV. Bro, if you live in Queens and you go to the DMV, you should already know that going to the DMV is like going to the casino and putting your bankroll on black and just chucking it. And that's what it feels like. But we got the plates, we're good. Mission accomplished. Now on to Papi Tires. Yes.
Los dos lo ven controlar. Tú lo ven controlar, no good.
Okay.
Los frenos de adelante,
Yeah.
los brakes, toda la zona con rotor. Segundo, llantas, no tiene llantas.
No, yo sé, la llanta 4 la voy a cambiar.
No sirve.
Ya, separa, mira, la de atrás está fea.
Los frenos, los discos
Yeah.
y los lip, estos están dañados. Lo mismo las llantas también.
¿Y este se llama what, sway bar? Oh, a stabilizer?
Sí, estabilizar. Eso tiene que hacer hasta el momento. Pero lo más grave son los adelante, cambiar las tijeras y cambiar los...
So todos los frenos, los rotors, los frenos, los rotors y los lower control arms.
De adelante. Y
de adelante.
Tocar y ponerle llantas y alinear.
Y de alinear, y después este brazo y los discos también.
De esos.
Vamos a hacer los frenos todos.
Todo.
Todos los frenos, los suelos, lower control arms.
Sí.
Y cambiar. También le quiero cambiar todos los líquidos del differential,
Bueno, eso sí, lógico.
transmisión,
Sí,
aceite.
cambiar el aceite de motor, la diferencial y la de transmisión.
Ya, todo. So we're back. Here we go. We're here at Who's Papi's Tires, right on the corner of Broadway and 62nd Street. So the car's up in the lift. I know you see it right there. So yeah, it's not that bad. The guy inspected it, the mechanic inspected it, and you saw I was under there digging around. The car doesn't seem that bad. Not, you know, I always expect the worst, but it definitely does. Like I said, 4 new tires, the front control arms, some rear suspension in the back, and then all the fluids. Not that rusty down there, but we're gonna refresh the suspension. We're gonna do all 4 brakes, rotors, give the car fresh alignment, fresh tires, and it's not as bad as I thought. And we're gonna do all new fluids and everything. Shout out to my man Papi over here, Who's Papi's Tires. If you're in the Queens area, come through, tell them the Christian Barber sent you, and yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Oh yeah, and they're installing the O2 sensors now. The 2 O2 sensors are being installed, and yeah, hopefully we can turn that check engine light off. I might go through the car wash just to see what it looks like wash. We'll see, I don't know. Once again, whoa. So the day has come. We got all the parts in for our beautiful build, which is right there. So we got a trunk full of parts. We're gonna be on our way to Papi Tires. We got a trunk full of parts. We got rotors, brakes. So yeah, we're gonna head to Papi Tires now and get this stuff done. Whoa. So we're back here at Who's Papi's Tires. Got the little car back right there. So got all the parts and we made it back to Who's Papi's Tires. I ordered 2 front lower control arms, the stabilizer bushings for the rear, some other parts for the rear, don't remember exactly what it was, and a few little miscellaneous suspension parts, 4 rotors, 4 brakes, and a few other parts that I can't remember now. They're all in the trunk of the car. So in this video, you're gonna see what we're gonna do to it, what we could get done, and then I guess you enjoy it. All right? Ah! I had no idea that this thing opens. This is crazy. Not only is like a door, it's a glass, it opens. You stick things through it. That's crazy. So we're done for the day. So we did all 4 brakes, disc and rotors. We did sway bar links, sway bar bushings, and the check engine light doesn't want to turn off. The car did come with 2 O2 sensors, so we might have to investigate a little more on that. You know, like why the check engine light won't turn off. Oh, I'm a little tired, man. I spent the whole day over there at the shop, so I'm a little beat. The fact that we couldn't fix the check engine light, to be honest with you, stresses me out a bit. When I get stressed out like this, it like drains me more than you know, if I was working or something. But whatever, we did what we had to do in the car. And the next video, hopefully we're gonna do a little mod that I have tucked up my sleeve. Oh, I also ordered a rear bumper because this bumper is a little beat up, so I ordered a rear bumper. I ordered it on eBay, but it's a local pickup in Queens, but by the time I got there it was closed, so, and I couldn't even find the place anyway. But yeah, you know, I got some other parts coming in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. Help grow this channel by just sharing. It doesn't cost you nothing to press a little button. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll check you out in the next video. Peace out. Check you out later. Deuces.